We got tornado warning.
Eastern Cobb County in north central Georgia, central Fulton County in north central Georgia, until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over Smyrna, moving north at 40 miles per hour.
My God.
Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sandy Springs. May obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it will be too late to get to a safe place. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-764-4646 or to EQS your report at NWS Atlanta. The flash flood watch continues for portions.
See? Tornado warning. That's just issued for Eastern Cobb. That's probably close to us. Oh my God. Yeah. Alright. Dylan Community 2014. If you watch this, I hope you make a comment to me. Please. Thank you.